How to turn off notifications on Discord mobile. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord, and once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're here, scroll down to the app settings section, and from there click on notifications. A pop-up window will appear at the bottom, and it has three options. The first one is the system notifications, and it allows you to get notifications outside of Discord, so click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. The second option is the in-app notifications, and it allows you to get notifications within Discord itself, so click on the toggle next to it to turn it off. The third option, it says tweak notification settings, and it's an advanced notification settings that are controlled by the system, so click on it. You will be redirected to the Discord notification section of your system. Here you will be able to turn off all of the notifications at once, or you can turn them off by customization such as conversation grouping, or you can turn off calls and messages and direct messages and leave the others on. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to turn them off altogether. So that was it for this video. That's how you can mute Discord notifications on your phone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.